Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today what we're doing is something different from my regular content. I'm not doing another swag unboxing, or I'm not going to talk about another technology related stuff. But this world is really fast, and it's just a matter of few seconds that things can actually change. But due to this, sometimes we tend to forget some of those things we should be grateful for, we are thankful for. So I just thought that maybe for this video we can talk about some of my few things which I'm grateful for as a normal computer science student or as a normal person out there. So yeah, without any further ado, let's directly get started with this video. So the first thing that I'm really grateful for is the people that I'm surrounded with. Now that is my family, who is very supportive of whatever I do. My friends, so I have a very few friends, but these are those people whom I can just trust my life with, especially the community. So I have a lot of people who I'm really close to within the community. So I'm really thankful to have a place like this in my life where I'm given love and respect for being who I am. And where my opinions matter, where my voice actually gets heard, and where I'm actually praised for achieving something. But at the same time, when you burn yourself out and when you're at a low phase and you need someone to talk to, the amazing folks from the community are also there. So yes, I'm really thankful for all the people that I have with me, who have been there with me. And yeah, so the next thing that I'm really grateful for is definitely Equicode. So for all those people who don't know what Equicode is, so it's actually a community that me and my friends started sometime back during the pandemic. And we have been aiming to actually inculcate a diverse learning environment where, we all can just learn and explore the various strands of technology. And I believe Equicode has been the best thing that has happened to us, because we have been finally able to channel our energy and passion in something that we all are so much interested in, right? And through Equicode, I've met a lot of amazing people. I've met a lot of industry experts and connected with them. But throughout, it has been an amazing experience until now. Okay, so the other thing that I'm actually very thankful for is how I adapted myself and how I did some of my things that I have been wanting to do since forever. But we all have a list of those things which we really want to do, but there are some countless reasons which actually stop us from doing them. Might be time issue, or there are some things which just keep delaying them. So yeah, I definitely had a long list of those things, but I actually ticked one thing off that list, which was reading books. So I loved reading books, but I just lost the habit and I just lost the touch of it. So throughout this pandemic, I read a lot of books. My favorite would be definitely the Harry Potter series. But yeah, reading books actually is one good habit that I adapted throughout this pandemic, and I'm really thankful, I'm really grateful that I adapted to that habit, because it has actually given me a lot of time to focus upon myself, and and to think about things that just gave me a new perspective throughout. So yeah, this was another thing. Okay, so the next thing which I'm really thankful for is this, creating content for all of you folks. It gives me immense happiness to actually create more and more content for all of you, because there's a thought in me every day about how I can improve my content, how I can improve one or such thing. And I believe this particular thing helps me move ahead even in my life as well, because it gives me the inspiration, it gives me the motivation to do more and more for all of you, for all those people who watch me, for all those people who support me. I believe I'm very grateful to have all of you with me. And for all of those who are watching this, I would like to say thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for being there with me, and I'm very thankful to have all of you with me. And yeah, I'll try to create more and more regular content, and I hope you like this video. So this was it for this particular video. I definitely have a long list of other things that I'm grateful for, but I believe let's save those things for another video. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure you hit that big fat thumbs up. Do share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to be more regular now, and I hope you like what you see. So yeah, thank you everyone. We'll meet again. Bye.